Welcome to my first vlog. Now I'm gonna try to do these every day. We'll see what happens. Today should be fun. Let's do it. We're ready to head out to the studio, get some more work done.
Driving fast and running hard, letting go, pulling down my guard.
Grab something real quick, be right back. Alright, so I was gonna pick up something real quick, and then I ended up picking up this. This dude almost just pulled out my arm just now. Alright, let's go. This should be fun. Let's go. Me and my man Tiny, we're getting ready to go on Guitar Center. We're gonna get some mallets for recording tonight. Should be dope. Guitar Center. Yeah, how much you think I'm gonna have to drop on these mallets?
20, 25.
I should probably take my wallet though, right? To do that? Yeah, I'll be back. Guitar Center is the illest music store. They were on sale, 20 bucks. Mallet and drumsticks. Probably just use a mallet part. Now I'm probably going to meet up with my other friend, my boy Frenchie. I think you might make the vlog right now, Mandy. You.
How so?
I'm on the phone with you right now. And I'm pulling up to meet French over at the Bucks, as we call it, Starbucks.
Wow, you guys are freaking whack.
Whatever. He's calling me right now, so I will speak to you later. I see this dude.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay, bye.
Later. How you doing, sir? You calling me, sir?
You wanna go have some pizza from next door?
How
Did you eat already?
Not any yet.
You want to?
We doing the vlog right now, bro.
It's like a small. You doing a vlog?
Yeah, vlog right now. So we got
Vlogging? I didn't know I was on the vlog.
So we got my man French Dog. We about to go have some lunch.
Something
Should
like.
be cool. We're going into Anthony's Coal-Fired Pizza.
Are you actually taping everything?
Pretty much.
I didn't even know that shit was wrong.
Pretty much.
I don't want no ones. You can have one. But it's definitely big enough. That shit with Christmas on the corner.
Say hello to wireless charging. So they have this at Starbucks. See about it. Put that on your phone.
I got an iPhone 4. I'm too old.
He has an iPhone
Which used to be his.
4. We're gonna go with the iPhone 6. Plug it in. They're brave, like letting people return it when they're home. And it is. Look how cool that is. Right? This is why you go to Starbucks.
That's right, baby.
So you can charge your phone wirelessly.
And pay $10 cup of coffee.
Well, this is part of the $10. You better get all the juice you can get.
Literally.
Get all the juice you can get. That's really cool, though.
Do you edit these videos before you post them?
Yeah. Here's the first one. So I'm finally on my way to the studio. I'm gonna go in, get some work done, clean up. I clean up my car, and the guys will be coming in a little bit later at 5:30. And we'll do some music later. Just got to the studio. Getting ready to get in there, set up, get ready for the later tonight work. It's a recording studio and a photo studio, and we do a lot of album covers and stuff. I do all my product shoots here. I do headshots, all kind of stuff. It's pretty cool. This is the studio. Going here, my partner Stig. This is his space right here. Guess he's like trying to rearrange some stuff in here. This is the storage over here. As you can see, lots of storage. Gotta clean this up. Forgot to introduce you guys on the vlog here. So, Steve just looked at his mouth. Stephen G right here.
It's Steven, but whatever.
Stephen G, same thing. And this is Devin Williams.
This music is copyrighted, so don't.
But this is the three guys right here, and we're just doing a rehearsal. So I'll set you guys up. We're gonna do it with like you're gonna have like loops. You can play with the earphones and play like the tracks. So you got like A and B parts, and then we fill in the rest. Or we
I don't know. We gotta talk about it. I mean, the tracks are done. So.
Will it be cool with just the beat though, like without live drums?
I'm looking. I don't even know that.
Yeah.
This is reality TV.
This is reality.
This is exactly. This is like Mark Kardashian.
Yeah. So we getting ready to track the drums on this. That was Mandy. She was over there. She's getting the centerpieces for the wedding. All right. More wedding stuff.
His strength is perfect. It's when there's no way that he makes a way.
Sounds good. Coming to AC Moore. Just finished up practice with the guys. Now I'm with the fiance here.